Hello. Hello. I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a clicker game in Scratch. Okay, so okay. So I already have my code here. So this is what's gonna look like by the end. This is my game. I did all this. So okay. Look. So let me just click on my cookie 10 times and I got this. So this should be happening with you at the end when we finish. Okay. So I know the code is right here. I know. Oh my god, you just have to keep doing this code on like other things. You don't really have to do the same things as me, but if you want, you can. So first, choose a sprite. Choose your sprite that you want to be. So that you want to be what you click on. So what I chose was a cookie, a search of cookie, and I chose the fortune cookie. Okay, this is what I chose. Okay, so I'm asking why can you click this one but not this one? Because it doesn't have any codes. But here, I'm gonna close the entire game. So the fortune cookie here again. So back here, if you want anything, just okay. So look, get this code. Okay, I'm just drag it back here. Look, so you need to grab this code. I'll tell you where to get it. Don't mind this change cookies by blah 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 blah, whatever it is. Don't have to be change cookies. It can be change whatever you made your sprite to be. Okay, so first go here, grab this when green flag clicked. Okay, so then you grab a forever and wait 1 second. You put that in, and if you're asking how to get this change, whatever by automatic cookies, whatever per second, okay? So you go to the variables, make a variable. This is what you need here, and then write what you want to name your variable. So what you want is whatever you know. But so if you have like a puppy, you can make a puppy variable, name it that, or whatever, or like a kid, or like whatever you really want, really. So, but to get this automatic cookies per second, I have to make the variable called automatic cookies per second. Okay? What? The keyboard's dead. Per second. Okay. So automatic cookies per second. Okay, if you want, just copy this down really quickly. Okay, and then it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Since I already have it, it exists. So yeah. So then when you do that, okay, then grab the change automatic cookies per second by. Okay, you might want. Okay, change cookies. Yeah. So yeah. So when you have this, no, not the automatic cookies. Change cookies or points or whatever you really did. So since I did cookies, I'm able to put a cookies. And then you press the check mark on here on the automatic cookies per second. Oh, I didn't forget, like, yeah, and whatever I said there. So you drag it. Okay? You drag it and put it instead of that number one, put it there, and then put it in that forever. That is the first code that you would want. Okay? So now I can just remove this here. So now you need another one here. This is called when this sprite clicked. You need this one. It's at the events section. When this sprite clicked, then you go to sounds, start sound, start sound pop. If you chose a fortune cookie, see. But here, you see, I'm clicking and I'm getting points here, yeah? See? See, I'm getting it on both here. See? Okay? So, okay, no, just close. Okay? So now this is clickable and you get points. No. Okay, anyways. So, oh my god. Okay, I'm here, back here. Okay, you want to get this start sound to pop and put it under the when this sprite clicked, and then change. You want to go back to your variables and choose, okay, change cookies by 1. So it's the same thing that you have had here, but instead of making it automatic cookies per second, make it, you change that and make it cookies or points or like whatever you really named yours. So here, and then drag it underneath. Set size to 110%. You might be asking, where? You never seen it before. It's in looks. So then you have to go back down here in looks. Okay, so it took me a while to find this before. I'm going to be surprised if I don't find it, honestly. Well, I'll be surprised if I don't find it. Okay, here. Set size. Yeah, set size. You're gonna want 2 of these. Okay, yeah, 2. Then you need to first one to 110% here and put it down there. And you have to go back to control to get wait 1 second. You have to remove that and make wait 0.5 seconds. And then we put this at 100 seconds down here. So we can move that now. So see, that's what we have at this point. So okay, so now go back to the, okay, so this is what I have, fortune cookie. Put it back here, and you need this, another flag here, okay? Well, this is pretty hard to remember, so yeah. If you want, just come back to this tutorial every single day if your friend or anybody really needs help with this. And then, when you put a flag, when flag clicked here, set cookies, and set automatic cookies per second. Here, this is going to be again at your variables. Here, same thing, just change it to cookies or points, whatever you did, really. And then you grab that again, but don't change it, keep it automatic cookies per second here. Okay, so that's done, whatever your first sprite was done. Okay, so now, okay, I can delete this now. Okay, so now I can go here. Now choose another sprite. No, okay, here. Everybody's thing is here. Now choose another sprite, but if you want, get a banana, anything you need. But for me, I wanted cheesy puffs. Yes, cheesy puffs. Here, as you see, but because they're like way too big and you don't have a really big screen like me, just shrink it down to like a 50. Okay, a full sized 50. Okay, and then look here. Okay, I'm just, so this is gonna be pretty difficult here. This is when it gets a bit confusing for beginners. Yeah, I even got confused myself. So grab this. Okay, now I'm just gonna put everything on. Grab an if else then an if else block here, and go to operators. Okay, now do this. Now see if this should have been at the start. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. So you want to go to costumes here. Here. You grab, okay, grab the text bar and put it down here. Right, cost. Okay. Now whatever you want it to be cost. I want it to cost 10 points. Okay. I wanted mine to cost 10 points. Okay. Points or cookies. Okay. Now go down and write reward. Reward plus how much cookies you wanted to give, how much or whatever you wanted to give you. 1 plus 1. Then that's it. Okay. Have a minute to copy this down. Okay, let's start. Sorry, so this. But you won't have it as whatever price you put it. If you put it 100, which is very evil, why? But keep it at 10 for as a safe one. And then you want to come back to variables and grab your cookies or points or whatever really. Okay, then you keep the if block empty. And then you go back to sound and grab this. Play sound pop until done. And go back to variables and change cookies by -10 to make sure that the person actually spent the money really here. So you, instead of just having it 10, -10. Okay, that's it. And then you go have to grab change again, but this one stays the same. Change automatic cookies per second by 1. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Okay, that's only the one of many codes that you have to do for the second one. Then you, I'll grab this one to copy it down here. Look, you have to grab another if green flag clicked and forever. And then if else block. So to make sure that this keeps repeating itself every single time. Okay? Go to operators and grab the same thing that you had as last time here. And if you just duplicate it, okay? It's easier. It's easier to duplicate it. And then you just grab, go back to variables and do cookies or points here again, but here. And then you make it 10 or whatever price you made it. It's better if it's 10. And then you have to go back to looks and set a ghost effect to 60. Well, you won't find set ghost effect, but you'll find set color effect. Then you change that to ghost effect, okay? Up here. Make sure it's up there, okay? And then put it at 60. This one has to stay. And then grab the clear graphics effects block. Okay? And there you're done in this bit. So now it works. Let's try out the game. This is my the new sprite that I put in. I got 10. I can buy this one or this one. And buy the new one. And see? Now the one that I bought down here is now giving me 1 point automatically. And then I can keep, and every single time it'll give you the same price. So 3 cookies or now. So if you want, this is easy. But if you want to make a second one, these have to change. These 4 have to change to what price and how much you want them to take away when you buy them, blah blah blah. So that is the tutorial. I just have to explain. That is the tutorial on how to make this thing, okay? If you want more, just come back to this video and rewatch it. You don't need a backdrop. I wanted one, so I put one. Okay, because I am dumb. So, this is the tutorial on how to make a clicker game in Scratch. See you next time.